Are your Jayco jacks not working? Those hydraulic jacks that level you out, and for some reason that control panel's not coming on or anything? I'm going to show you what I found when mine did the same thing. Right inside your power box where your 30 amp comes out, right up inside of there. Okay, so right up inside here, right up underneath there, is like a brain for your jack system. And see all those wires hanging down? I knocked one of those wires loose, and that was the main power going over to my jack control panel. And it took me a couple hours to trace it down, and I found it. And I've actually helped a couple of other people on the groups, and they had the same exact problem. Their jacks wouldn't go down, there was no power to the control panel, and it was right up under there. One of those wires got knocked loose. So you could get in there with a zip tie some of them up, or just be aware of it. Hopefully that fixes your problem if your jack panel won't go on to put your leveling jacks down. Hopefully that was helpful. If this was helpful, make sure you hit like, hit subscribe, and hopefully this